Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss about the life cycle of Rhizopus. Okay, so Rhizopus comes under the class Zygomycetes and order Mucorales, family Mucoraceae and genus Rhizopus and species obviously Stolonifer, most commonly Stolonifer. It is commonly known as common bread mold. Rhizopus is commonly known as bread mold or black bread mold. Okay. So at first the general characteristic or morphology. So it is known as bread mold. It is filamentous fungus. That means the body is filamentous, having cottony mycelium. So they have cottony appearance. And branches produces sporangia. The mycelium is cenocytic. Cenocytic means they do not have cross walls. Suppose this is the fragment, this is the mycelium. They do not have cross wall or cell wall between their cells. So they have many nucleus in a single cell, and this condition is called as multinucleate or cenocytic nucleus, cenocytic hyphae, because they lack cross walls between their cells, they lack cell walls between their cells, so they have many nucleus in a single cell. Next, Rhizopus reproduces asexually by producing sporangiosspores, chlamydospores. They can also reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation. Okay, so Rhizopus fungi are characterized by having a body with branching mycelium. Okay, and their body composed of three types of hyphae. One is stolons, horizontally developing stolons, rhizoids, which are positively geotropic, and upright sporangiophores. Okay. Next, the hyphal wall is microfibrillar, consists of chitin, chitosan, and apart from chitin and chitosan, they have some proteins, lipids, purines, salt like calcium, magnesium. Okay. So these are the composition of hyphal cell wall. Inner to cell wall, cell membrane is present in Rhizopus, which covers the protoplast. The protoplast contains nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, oil droplets, vacuoles and other substance. Okay, next comes the reproduction. Rhizopus stolonifer reproduces vegetatively as well as asexually and sexually. So vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation, and this is due to the accidental breakage of stolons, and stolon break into two or more parts. Each unit is capable of growing as a new individual. Okay. Next is asexual reproduction by means of producing sporangiospores and chlamydospores. Sporangiospores formation occur during favorable condition. These are non-motile spores and produced inside the sporangiophores. Okay, a special organ of this Rhizopus. Sporangiospores formed inside the sporangium. Okay. Next, chlamydospores. Chlamydospores produced during unfavorable conditions. So what is the difference between sporangiospore and chlamydospore? Sporangiospore is formed during favorable season, but chlamydospore is formed during unfavorable season, and these chlamydospores are thick-walled, rich in nutrition. Intercalary mycelium segments arise by septation of mycelium. Sometimes during the formation of chlamydospores, septa is formed between the cells or between the mycelium. They separate from each other and each fragment act as chlamydospore and germinate to form a new Rhizopus organism. Okay, so this is how they reproduce by chlamydospore. Next, the sexual reproduction of Rhizopus takes place by gametangial copulation. The gametangium of two opposite strain. Okay, in case of heterothallic species. So some species of Rhizopus are homothallic, but other species are generally heterothallic. Rhizopus stolonifera specifically is heterothallic, and sexual reproduction in heterothallic species occur when hyphae from two different strains are fused with each other. These mycelia are morphologically similar but physiologically different in case of heterothallic species. So, during the sexual reproduction, they attract towards each other, and this attraction is due to trisporic acid. Trisporic acid. Finally, the gametangium of opposite strain fuse with each other to form zygospore. Okay, so after zygospore formation, zygospore undergoes meiosis to form meiospores. And finally, the meiospores germinate to form a new individual. That means a new Rhizopus individual, Rhizopus species. So at first, they conjugate with each other, okay, to form young zygospore. Then zygospore mature, zygospore undergoes meiosis to form germ sporangium, and inside that meiospores are formed. Inside this germ sporangium, meiospores are formed, and these meiospores are haploid. So when they fuse with each other, gametangium fuse with each other, they form diploid zygospore. Diploid zygospore undergoes meiosis to form haploid meiospore. Again meiospore germinate to form a new individual. So this is the overall phases of sexual reproduction of Rhizopus species. So it is all about the life cycle of Rhizopus, and I hope you will get benefit from this video. And if you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's tutorial. Thank you.